As some of you know, we grow pineapple plants from the tops of the pineapples that we eat, and occasionally we get lucky and we get a couple of pineapples. Last year we only got one. This year we've got 5 growing, and these 2 are from the plants in our backyard. This one we cut down a couple of days ago. This one we left out there until today. This one's a beautiful yellow with very little green on it except for the crown. This one still has some green threading or green veining in it, so we're going to let that one sit for a couple of days. But we're going to test the pineapple from 2 days ago. Alright, so some of you may be wondering, how long does it take to grow a pineapple? It takes about 2 years. A lot of people cut the crowns off the pineapple and they'll stick them in the dirt, and they just basically just grow and get green, but sometimes you don't get fruit. We've got several plants in the backyard and in the front yard that have not produced any fruit. I'm assuming if you take better care of it than we did, because we only watered sporadically and mostly during the dry winter months here in Florida, the pineapples will be probably a lot larger if you water them every day. We haven't had a chance really. Gets kind of hot outside, and I try to do most of my watering after it gets dark. Last year we got 1 pineapple. This year we actually produced about 5. 3 more on a plant in the front. They're kind of small and still green, so we haven't cut them down yet. But this one and his brother, they're going to get eaten. Some people say that the first year a plant produces fruit that's sometimes bitter. Well, we're going to put this to the taste test. Last year the fruit was absolutely delicious, and it was the same golden yellow as you see on this one here. So let's cut her open and see what she does. Alright, so let's cut the crown so that we have that to regenerate. We'll put him in some water in just a minute. That's what it looks like. It looks golden delicious on the inside. I'm going to move him for a second. All right. So we got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices out of it for a pineapple that's just been growing in our yard. We'll take the scraps and actually toss them out to the raccoons in the yard because they like the little fruits. And now, for the moment of taste testing. One for you.
Thank you.
One for me. All right, here it is, fresh from the garden. Oh wow, that's absolutely delicious.
It's really good.
That boy's gonna eat good tonight. Absolutely delicious. Look how yellow. It's absolutely, even the core is soft. Mmm. I'm sure if we would have watered these more diligently, the pineapples would have been a lot bigger, but I don't care. Really didn't cost us much more than our time, and that was spare time at that. And these are absolutely probably the most sweetest pineapples I've ever eaten. No grocery store can touch this. They might not be the biggest, but they are the best. And I want to thank my girlfriend Heather for supplying me with tons of pineapple tops.
Lots of pineapple.
Lots of pineapple tops. So hopefully next year we'll have some more. Maybe even the year after that we'll have even more. Thanks a lot for coming, and we'll see you real soon.